Just downstream, another group of social creatures makes their home. White-fronted bee-eaters live in small families consisting of a breeding pair and up to 5 related birds that'll help them raise their chicks. In a few months, when early summer brings the rains, they'll dig more nests like these into the riverbank to lay their eggs. The rain will trigger a flush of insect life, and there'll be plenty of food to feed their chicks. For now, the adults can support themselves on the insects around the river. The little water in the Lavuvu is enough to attract a range of water birds, and each starts its day by finding food in its own way.